Hey kids, would you like to imagine what you might look like as a superhero? You know, keep your own look, but wear a Superwoman or Superman costume. I've got a fun and easy way to draw both, and I think it works even for young artists. So why don't you grab a pencil and we can draw yourself together. Okay, I'm going to begin with the Superwoman example first, and we need to begin by drawing her head, which is a U shape with a kind of crown shape right above it. For some reason I didn't record myself actually drawing it, but don't worry, the rest of the video shows me doing it live. After that head is done, then draw a short neck and a line under it for the shoulders and two vertical lines coming down for her sides. Then let's close up that shape by adding a belt that looks like this, that is curved and pointy in the middle. Now draw two angled lines down and add a curve for the skirt. And then come the legs. They're just straight lines that angle out a little bit and get a rounded foot at the end. When one leg is done, then draw the other the same way, except the foot is pointing in the other direction this time. All those legs need now are some upside down V shapes for the tops of the boot and a seam line that goes down the center to the toes. Moving up to the arms, they come out of the shoulders and bend towards the waist. Add a simple rounded shape for the hands, and while we're here, two lines for that wristband. After one arm is finished, then start the other the same way with the bent shape first. And then add a hand here too, along with those two lines for the band on the wrist. Okay, now let's just add a very simple face, starting with two ovals for the eyes and smaller circles inside. The nose and mouth can be very simple too, just an L shape and a smile below. Now for the hair. I'm going to draw my example with long and curly hair here to show how it can go down to the shoulders, but yours could certainly be smooth or another length entirely. Just do your best to try to make it look like yours. That superhero logo that's on the chest starts with a kind of diamond shape that is flat on top, like this. After the outer shape is drawn, then a block letter S fills the inside. If a block letter is kind of tricky for you to do, just make it a stick letter instead. It'll look fine. Okay, now on to that Superman figure. Let's start with a U shape like this for the head. Then close the top with a hairline, and if you want to have that kind of classic Clark Kent look, you can add his famous curl here. Add ears on the side of the head, and then draw your hair on the top in whatever way looks best to you. And then we can move on to the face. So let's start with those two ovals for the eyes, and then smaller circles are added inside. The rest of the face then can be very simple with an L-shaped nose and a mouth line below. The neck is added below the head, and then draw two squares like this. This is where the top of the cape is attached to his shoulders. Let's make the shoulders a little bit wider, and then draw a kind of rectangle below for his torso. Now Superman also gets a belt, but this one's a little different. It has a buckle in the center and some lines for loops on either side. Moving down, let's add what I'm going to call Superman's briefs, which look like this. Then Superman's legs can get added, just like Superwoman's did. They angle out a little bit and they have that rounded foot shape at the bottom. After one leg is done, then do the same thing for the other side, this time having that round foot point in the other direction. His boots are made just by drawing some simple M shapes like this, kind of in the middle of the leg. Okay, his arms come next and start the same way as before with the bend shape that goes towards the waist. There's that kind of rounded hand shape that's at the bottom and touches the hips. After one arm is done, we can start the other the same way with those bent lines and the rounded hand. Also, let's draw some lines here for the end of his sleeves. Now the logo on his chest also starts with that diamond shape that's kind of flat on top. The inside then is filled with a large block letter S. And like I said before, feel free to make it a stick letter if that's easier for you to do. And last but not least, we need to add Superman's cape, which is made from lines that angle out on the side and connect with a wavy line at the bottom. All right, it looks like our superhero drawings are done, so we do need to trace those lines with a black marker so we can see them all really well. As always, do take a moment to erase any pencil lines before you start to color. Now your crayons or coloring supplies can come out. I'm going to start with all the red shapes for Superman. Superwoman also has red in her costume. And then we can start the blue things. Oh, please excuse my kitty here. She sometimes likes to photobomb my videos. All right, as I was saying, most of the rest of the clothing is blue, with the exception of those gold belts and gold crown. Now it's time to add your own hair and eye color, and finish with whatever color best matches your skin. And that, my friends, is how you can draw yourself as a superhero. It's really just a combination of having what looks like you wearing superhero clothing in a superhero pose. When you add them all together, I think you end up with a very cool looking self-portrait. I hope you agree. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more drawing lessons like this, including how to draw Spider-Man, how to draw Batman, and how to draw Wonder Woman. I hope you check them out too.